This is a piece of melamine that I found underneath the upcut saw. It may be bigger or may be smaller, but either way you can use a table saw, the chop saw, the upcut, whatever it takes to chop this out. 7 1/4 by 18. So I'll do my 18 inches first, right there. Then turn, set it to 7 1/4. Then go see if it fits. Once you've got all your pieces, let's see if it fits. This can sometimes be tricky because putting all 4 of them together will sometimes pop off one side or the other as you're going. The whiteboard fits in snug. And then put on the other end. You might have to tap it down. That's not too bad. Now what we're looking for are some gaps. If the bottom is too wide, you're going to end up with gaps on the ends, on the inside here. So if I push hard here, and I try to squeeze this other side in, there is a little bit of a gap. So that the top isn't a big deal. I'm looking down here where the bottom is. And I'll check the other side to make sure. And sure enough, if I can shift it left and right, make a gap move from one side to the other, that means the bottom is a little too wide. Now for length, this way, if it's too long, you're looking at a gap here where these joints come together. And so the same thing, if I can move the gap from one side to the other, and sure enough, there's a gap right here, then I know it's a little bit too long. So that's fine. I'll take it back to the table saw or the green jointer and joint the end or trim off the end table saw just a hair. We're talking about a 32nd of an inch, and then come back, try it again. If it fits, we can move on. Once you get it put back together, try it again. Squeeze together. I don't see any gaps here or here. Squeeze it together this way, and I don't see any gaps appearing here or here. Now, do not glue and nail this together until we have the handle on. It's just really difficult to stick it in one side and feed it in the other. So we may as well do it with one side off, stick it on, and then we're going to glue and nail it.